For 9, the auxiliary equation on the left is going to have complex roots, isn't it? So we can have m equals plus or minus 6 over 5i. So that gives me x is a cos 6 over 5x plus b sine 6 over 5x. Just a number on the end here, so it's x, isn't it? So x is equal to lambda, and the other two bits are actually equal to 0. And so just putting x equals lambda in there, well, we can see that lambda is equal to a half, can't we? So my general solution is what we just wrote earlier, and we need to add a half to it at the end there. Bounds. Should we differentiate it? Let's just check. Are they giving us? Yes, they're giving us what dx by dt is. So dx by dt is equal to minus 6a over 5 sine 6 over 5x plus 6b over 5 cos 6 over 5x. And they've told us when t is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, and dx by dt is equal to 0.6. Okay, x is equal to 1. The cos of that shouldn't be an x, should it? I made that xt error that we spotted earlier. That should be a t, 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 and that should be a t. Right, let's try this again. Well, when you put a 0 in there, cos of 0 is 1, so we just got a. Sine of 0 is 0, so we get a plus a half. So a is equal to a half. When we put 0 in here, we're going to get 0.6 equals, there's a 0. Right, let's just check this here then. So sticking a 0 in there, so we're going to get 6b over 5. So that gives b is equal to a half as well. So the answer is x is equal to a half cos 6 over 5 t plus a half sine 6 over 5 t plus a half. And clearly I could take the factor of a half out of all of that to tidy it up. T's, x's.